Hello there, ICS4C folks. This is again hopefully a short video that goes over how I want the end of Unit 2 to go. How are you going to actually get me some code to mark some of your programs? So you should have downloaded a file that looks something like this. It's a LibreOffice document or OpenOffice document, and it's got spots for you to pick your best work to hand in. So this is the first page. It says on this page, choose your best work from questions 1 to 4 found in your 2_1 arrays exercise file. So and I don't know what you use to create that file, but that's a homework file. And there's a couple things you can do. So for instance, I've got it here and I've pretended that I've answered the questions. And let's say I want to do question 2. So there's my solution that you copied in at some point. One thing you could do is just copy that like that, copy that, Control C is what I did there. Go back to your handed in file and just bam it in there like that. That's one thing you could do. A second thing you could do, if you want, is you could take that file or that code, go into Notepad or Notepad++, paste it in there, save that as, I'm going to call it page 2 or something like that, save, and insert that entire file. So how we do that, go up to Insert, and then Hyperlink, and then we don't want an internet file, we want an actual document, and then we got to find the path for it. Path for it, what did I call it? Page 2, didn't I? It's probably under, where did I put it? All right, I found it. And of course, all I'd have to do is go to the file again and go File, Save As, and it'll show me where I saved it. The last file that I was actually working on is in this directory, and then I can put that in there. Put that in there. Where is it? Here we go. There it is. And then I go Open and go OK. Bam, there it is. And I should be able to get to that file, I hope. Another way, of course, is to insert that file straight from, so say you used Edity or Notepad++, whatever, to do your exercises rather than in just save it into a text document like in this one. So say you did it in Notepad++, or say you did it in Edity. If you did it in Edity, you'll have to download it from your Google Drive, and that's all good. You'll know how to do that, I hope. If not, you can ask. But I can insert the file that way. Insert, let's say this is another file. I'm going to document, get this out of the way here, path, and let's say I want to put in my ball bounce code, which is a JavaScript file. Bam, there I go. Okay, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to mark that. And then at the end, once you've got your little bits and pieces all in here, by all means, you can just copy the code in here like this. This might be the easiest for me to mark if it's sitting there in your document. Save this document then, and then this is the document that gets turned in the Brightspace Dropbox. Okay. All right, that's all I have to say about that. There's 6 items that are going to be turned in all together. And again, you don't have to have all of the exercises done from all of the sections. Just like I promised, that you can hand in your best work from each of these exercises, and that's what I'll mark. Probably on Brightspace, there's a marking scheme where you can see how much each part's going to be worth. And if not, there will be soon, and you can ask about that. All right, that's all I have to say about that.